Hi, this is Jeremy Moskowitz, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make your mailto handler actually open up a web browser such that it will launch Outlook Web Access. So let me show you the result of what I've put together. When you go ahead and click on a mailto link and it says, hey, do you want to mail me? What's it going to do? Well, it's going to open up your default browser, and provided you've already logged on to Office 365, it's then going to automatically, boom, send that mail to that person. Okay, it's just that simple. So how did I perform this little magic here? So the first thing is that I have a little batch file and I put it in temp and I've just called it a1.bat. Let me show you what it does here. And so the first thing it does is that it sort of silences it as much as it can. Then it says set address %1, which means it's going to take in the item that you're passing it. So that would be the address. So mailto:/Jeremy at PolicyPak.com. Then what it does is it removes the first 7 characters, which would be mailto:. Aha. And then what we do is that we run the default browser against the special link in outlook.office.com, and then we put in %address, which is the address without the mailto. The net result, as that you can see, is that when you click it and click yes, you do get that very brief flash of the DOS prompt. But hey, the net result is that you get exactly what you're after here. Now, let me show you how I set this up in File Associations Manager in PolicyPak land. So you have to do this on the computer side in File Associations Manager. Then here is how to do it. You give it any name you want. You use the network protocol. You have to use mailto. And I'm going to use a custom application. I'm going to say that my custom application is, well, where that batch file is, c:/temp/a1.bat. And then you're going to pass it %1. Okay? When you do that, and the application name itself doesn't really matter, and you can select any application icon. That part is not a real concern. So this is the program, and that is the command line. Okay, that's all there is to it. Once you've done that, you're off to the races. It will automatically associate correctly. All you got to do is run gp-update, log off and log back on once, and you're good to go. Now, the next thing about this is that you may want to change the default browser, and that is totally supported as well. Now, that's going to be in Browser Router. Now, I already have a Browser Router policy, so I'm just going to modify that guy. I think my default browser right now is Internet Explorer. Let's go ahead and check it out. So if I were to go to Browser Router PolicyPak and go to my Browser Router settings here, okay. So if I were to set my default browser, hey, look, it's Internet Explorer. Let's go ahead and change that to Chrome or Edge or whatever you want. So I'll go ahead and click on Chrome here. I'll set that, and then I'm going to run gp-update to get the latest, my latest directives here. Now, after I do this, my goal is that I want to launch the mailto again, and this time it will automatically go to Chrome. Now, if I haven't logged on to Office 365 in Chrome yet, then it may not automatically open up the Office page, but you get the gist. It will have opened Office through Chrome, just to have it not logged on yet. All right, let's go check it out. So let me go ahead and click OK here, or click on the email link, click yes, and what do we get? Boom, we got Chrome automatically. We can see the logon page here. I just haven't quite logged on yet, but when I do, it will then pass that all the way through, pass the correct items directly to Office 365. And therefore, anytime you click on a mailto link, you're automatically going to the default browser and passing in the special characteristics to open up that page in Office 365 and Outlook instead of a mail program that's local. If you like what you see here and want to get started with PolicyPak, then go ahead and we'll see you in the webinar. And then after that, we'll hand over the bits and you can try it out yourself. Thanks so very much, and we'll talk to you soon.